Top of the afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Top of the afternoon. Quick dinner for that youngin' of mine tonight. So when you get off work, food will be ready. But we're gonna do it quick tonight. Yeah, let's see what we having tonight. Well, we're gonna have that superior already fried chicken. It's very, very good too. It's 8-piece chicken, Bush's country style baked beans. Yes, country style. Oh, he got to have his veggies, and he swallows hot sauce like it's water. So that's a big bottle of original Louisiana, like he love, and he can have any flavor Kool-Aid he want except watermelon. Yeah, that's daddy's. But I often mix flavors, and he loves it. And he's been tearing my cinnamon buns up back there. Yeah, he been dipping in them all night, 3, 4 in the morning while he going to the bathroom. He leaving cinnamon crumbs. So it's him. That's my main man though. It's a nice dinner. Fried chicken quickie.